Since 1992, ClimateCare has established a united team of independent members who support each other, share expertise, grow their businesses together. When you become a ClimateCare member, you immediately become supported by the expertise of over 30 similar businesses across Ontario.
The peer group gives me an opportunity to discuss ongoing issues with people of my own training, my own stature in business.
There's people who have been in the business for sometimes 20 or 30 years who are able to give you their experiences, and maybe they've gone down a road that you're thinking about going down, and they can guide you along the way.
Together, we have helped thousands of customers feel comfortable in their homes and supported our communities when they needed us the most.
Because we're located in Walkerton, we are part of the Walkerton water crisis. Even though Walkerton's not a large town, it required a lot of manpower to clean out every single business, every single home. Sent a team of guys up for weeks at a time to assist us in cleaning up the problem. We just had to send out a call for help, and we had a team of people there for us.
During the COVID-19 global pandemic, our members worked together to ensure that their clients and team members were taken care of and stayed safe. Our members supported each other with sourcing masks, face shields, and sanitizer, developing new COVID-19 operating procedures and policies, understanding the government programs, sharing ideas on how to pivot to contactless service and conduct virtual meetings and estimates, receiving health and safety and HR support from our partners, and temporary financial support from the cooperative. Could you have benefited from cooperation like that? Becoming a ClimateCare member means becoming a member of our hardworking, dedicated, and growing family. Are you ready to join? Visit climatecare.com to learn more.